Hi, good afternoon. Vince Attardo with Coastline Environmental Solutions, covering the subject of water damage categories. Category 1, 2, or 3. What's the difference? 1 I covered last time, which is Category 1, which is clean water, potable water, something you can drink, and it's relatively safe with no harmful contaminants. Category 2 is considered gray water, non-clean water, and Category 3 is also non-clean, but considered sewage, heavily contaminated. You handle Category 2 similar to Category 3. There may be times where you might be able to save some of the materials that you'd otherwise throw away, because any porous or semi-porous materials for Category 2 and specifically 3 need to be removed and discarded. Semi-porous materials would be consisting of your carpet cushion. If you had a custom area rug and it was Category 2 gray water, which would be a toilet overflow with no fecal matter that didn't come from beyond the trap, might be just some water that was there in the toilet overflowing, but anything beyond the trap is considered non-clean. Since it's your toilet, you could probably clean and save that rug and disinfect it. Whereas the carpet, if it's a small area, you may also consider cleaning it, sanitizing it. But if it's sewage, raw material, or it's from someone else's sewer, you would definitely want to throw that carpet away. Walls, floors, ceilings all get taken out and thrown away in a Category 3. Category 2 most often you should do the same. Insurance would like to tell you otherwise, but for your own health and safety, it's contaminants that are unknown in the building material that you're addressing when you address and remove and throw away Category 2 and 3 water loss materials. Either way, you must use a disinfectant, preferably twice, and rinsing and extracting and removing the materials you put into the building envelope. Keep Coastline in mind for any of your cleaning and restoration needs. Remember, it's not clean until it's coastline clean.